Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add a bank account on CoinDCX.com. In our previous video, we have shown you how to complete your KYC on CoinDCX.com. If you haven't watched that video, please click the I button in the top right corner of this video. Now let's see how to add a bank account to your CoinDCX account. Under Bank Details section, click on Add Bank button. Enter your account number. Re-enter your account number. Select your account type. Enter your bank IFSC code. Enter your branch name. Enter your bank name. Enter your UPI address. Enter your name as per your bank records. Enter your mobile number. Comma is not allowed in branch name. Just remove it. Now we need to upload a proof to verify our bank account. You can either upload a cancelled check, passbook or latest bank statement. Click on Choose File and select the document on your computer. Click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone. CoinDCX will send 1 rupees to your bank account. Check your bank statement and enter the 12-digit UPI transaction number. Click Verify. That's it. Our bank account has been verified. This is how you can verify your bank account on CoinDCX.com. Thank you for watching.